everybody, welcome back to the channel. Kennedy didn't want to do the intro, yet she's in town. What's so funny? Come on.
Your face.
Oh, you think that's funny?
Yeah.
So, we're driving the HELLCAT around today. We are going to finally finish things up. We're hopefully going to get an alignment on it right now. It needs definitely a rear alignment, but I'm going to see if we can do the front at the same time because, well, it's already there, so might as well do both. So, just driving around because I heard the fender liner. The fender liner is touching the tires just a little bit, so I just got to trim some of the fender liner back. Not a big deal. Other than that, I need to make sure the brakes are all good. I need to finish bleeding the brakes. I still need to do the front. I've only done the rear. What else? That's pretty much it. Get the alignment, put the front bumper back on, and finally hit the track on Friday. So, as you guys know, we've been messing with Kevin's brakes, and he's probably gonna make a video on this, but I could not figure out how to get the caliper centered over the rotor. I was having huge trouble with it. Finally figured out. They sent Kevin the front rotors, and we were trying to fit them on the rear. So yeah, wasted about 12 hours of my life that I'll never get back. And also today we're gonna make a video on how the ice tank works, and gonna make a little cinematic clip for EMP, Team EMP. They're the ones who sell the ice tank kit. So let's get over to the alignment place, see if we can actually get an alignment done today. If not, Kennedy will be doing the alignment in the garage manually, and so she's gonna have to YouTube on how.
Honestly, I'm better than them anyways, and I've never even done it.
All right, so we'll see you guys over there. All right, guys, so I guess it's a no-go on the alignment today. No one's open on Saturdays. The two places that I was gonna go to that I kind of trust with my car aren't open today, and I don't want to just go to any ordinary shop. So we're gonna have to make an appointment on like Monday or Tuesday, which still gives us time for the track next week. So I guess Kennedy has to do the alignment. So we're gonna go make this ice tank video, but I'll show you guys. So right now, just sitting right here, the intercooler temp is at 91 degrees. Usually it's above 100, just sitting there. And cruising around right now, it's been about, it gets into the 80s, doesn't really drop below that, but this is just with water in the tank. This isn't with ice in the tank. So we'll see if it drops here in just a second. Yeah, it's kind of staying around the same right now. But it's been staying in like the high 80s with just water. And I've tried the ice once, and it dropped the intercooler temp to 51 degrees, which it almost cut it in half, because that day it was at 100 because it was so hot out. Today it's only 80 degrees out. Last week when we tried it, it was like 100 degrees out. So there it is, now it's at 89. So just driving around, just like I said, with the extra fluid capacity, it makes it run a lot cooler. So then the ice drops it tremendously. So it may even go into the 40s. Don't want to go that low, but it may even go into the 40s when we go put ice in it. So we're gonna head over to this ice machine up here. We're gonna grab some bangs. I'm kind of sick of bangs, if anyone was wondering.
Yeah, but they have a lot of caffeine in them.
Yeah, they have a lot of caffeine, but I'm kind of sick of bangs. I've been drinking them every day for a long time, almost a year. I'm kind of sick of them. So I think I might try something else. Or switch to, I've been drinking Zions lately, Monsters. What have you been drinking?
Bang and Starbucks.
Typical. She has Starbucks right here and she doesn't even drink it. Like, I brought her this from Chick-fil-A this morning, and she
Babe,
just
you know I
throws it away.
sip. I'm not throwing it away.
There's people starving and they want Starbucks, and you've got Starbucks.
I'm drinking it.
Third world problems. Alright, so we're gonna head over to this ice machine real quick, and we're gonna drain the tank about halfway and fill it with some ice, and I'll throw the cinematic clips in here.
Michael, open your eyes. This is a life insurance alignment. There is only one guarantee, and this is
said, no alignment. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those little clips of us putting ice in the ice tank. As you can see, it drops down into the 50s pretty quick. It was within like, I don't know, what, 30 seconds probably?
Yeah.
30 seconds, and that's just emptying the ice tank halfway, filling it with ice. You could do it one more time to get the water even colder if you're trying to do like a all-out run, which that's what Joseph recommended to me, my buddy. So when we're at the track, that's what we'll do is we'll empty the tank halfway with water, fill it with ice, and then we'll cycle it, and then we'll empty it halfway again, and then fill it up with ice again, and then run the car. And that should get all the water in the system really cold, and should make for a pretty good run. So I guess next week we'll get the alignment, and we should get the bumper on in time, and then we got to get Kevin's car done before Friday, which is test and tune, and hopefully the weather's decent. Obviously the DA will be shit, but as long as I can get out there and run my car, that's all I really care about, because I just want to see what kind of 60 foot we can cut with the 15s. And we may do a ride along with Kennedy, because she really wants to ride in the car when it hooks up at the track.
Thank you.
Because she wants to feel the G-forces! So hopefully you guys liked that video. Sorry it's pretty short and not very entertaining because we didn't get the alignment, but that's how it goes sometimes. So make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me, Instagram, Snapchat, FMV39, follow Kennedy at Kennedy Football. I don't know.
I don't like that one. It's
Really?
like a
You didn't like it?
robot.
I'm a robot, you know? Alright, we'll give you guys a little poll here to end the video.